Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and search for hotels on Agoda? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open any browser that you want to and simply go ahead and search for Agoda. Once you've done that, simply go ahead and click on the first link that pops up right over here. All you need to do is on this small little navigation bar, what you want to go ahead and select is hotel. So as you can see, there are other options as well: airport transfer, there's long stays, homes and apartments, and hotels. So I'm just going to go ahead and add hotel, and let's say for example I want to head to Cali. So if I go ahead and select that, I can go ahead and select my dates as well. So right over here, so from 3 to 31, or just like that, and simply go ahead and add how many adults are going to be there, and simply go ahead and click for search. Once you've done that, all your hotels are going to pop up right over here. You can select anyone that you like and just get one. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.